Hi everyone, this is my outfit for today. So, my upper is t-shirt only. Yes, t-shirt as in plain. Plain t-shirt. Oh no! Diba? Tapos ukay pa po ito. Super ukay. I bought this 50 pesos. Diba? 50 pesos lang. Wow! And then, my bag, my sling bag is, hindi naman siya ukay. Pero mukhang yayamanin. Char! Pangyayamanin na bag. So, this is, I bought this on Shopee. Ay, TikTok pala. TikTok pa po pala. TikTok pala! So, yun. 340. 340 and my pants is, yun. Trouser. Brand new. Brand new po siya. I bought this 300. So ayun, nakatawad pa ako. 'Di ba? Tapos yung relo ko, mura lang 'to. 100. 100 lang. Ayoko kasi ng super bongga. And 'yun, my necklace, ayan. Ito lang yung medyo authentic ng konti, pero mura. Mapapamura ka. What? Secret. Yan. Baka may mag-sponsor pa po dyan. O, diba? And my hair. There. So, that's all for today's video. Babush!